Meaning of feeler.
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 Feeler. Feeler can refer to a few different things depending on the context. As a noun, it can mean a tentative inquiry or suggestion made in order to gauge someone's interest or opinion. For example, I gave him a feeler about my idea for a new project. As an adjective, feeler can describe a sensory organ, such as the antennae of an insect. These organs are used to feel and sense the environment around them. In summary, feeler can mean a tentative inquiry or suggestion or a sensory organ used for feeling and sensing.